today's International Peace Day. It's a day dedicated to peace in the world. I'm celebrating in this tree. This is a beautiful white pine. Big old white pine. I've been climbing pine trees since I was a kid. Pine trees are known that they exude a sense of calm. They're great when your mind is a little crazy. Just think of a white pine and you will feel immediately a sense of grounded peace. It's quite a lofty experience being up here. You know, nature does a wonderful job of reminding me that peace is not created. We don't make peace. We don't create peace. Peace is the space from which everything springs forth. Peace is the energy of the totality which all life comes from. We think of peace as something that's either there or not. But the truth is, it's always there. It's just, are we in alignment with it? Nature's at peace. Nature's in a great state of peace. And even when the winds blow and the ground shakes and the skies are filled with different colors, nature's at peace. So even while part of our humanness, our minds spin and churn and burn, the true essence of us, the truth of who we are, is always at peace. The truth of you is always at peace. Always there for us to tune into. Just remembering that, just knowing that, brings me peace, even when I get crazy. So I can use pine trees, I can use nature, and I can use the truth that peace is. It's just our choice whether to tune into it or not. And even if the rest of the world chooses craziness or opposition or polarity or strife, we, in the quiet of our own hearts, can align with the peace that always is. In celebration of peace, the peace that lives in all of us.